Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to your daily motivational video. It is Monday, so this is your Monday motivation. Hope you've had a great weekend and I'm so happy that you've come back for even more of a mood boost to just kick your week off right. So today's message is all about setting up for success. This is easier to talk about at the start of the week because I always feel that with the weekend and with the end of, that rest and relaxation period for 2 days or whatever it is that you rest for, comes a fresh mindset. And on Monday, I think we always start out with the best intentions and with the best attitude towards the week. But as we kind of roll into the week and the days go by, we tend to fall off. And I had a pretty difficult week last week in terms of ticking off some of the things I'm supposed to be doing on a daily basis. As you guys know, I'm trying to learn French and I'm also trying to read a book a week. And last week wasn't as successful as I really wanted it to be. And I think that all comes down to how I set myself up on Monday. Now, setting yourself up for success, I think, is about preparing before you go into the week. So yes, it's Monday, so we're a little bit late on that, but I think this is always a great opportunity while your ambition and your motivation levels are still high to take a break and just write down some of the things you really want to get done this week. I think as much as we set ourselves goals for the year, I think at the beginning of every week we should look at it like a new year or a time to reset and just confirm those goals for yourself. So if you find yourself falling off towards the end of the week, then every Monday or even better on a Sunday night, sit there and write down exactly what your goals are again. You may already have them written down somewhere, you may already have them, like a picture of them or some sort of representation of them, but I think it's so important to do that at the start of every week. So write down your goals again. There's something that happens that's magical when you commit things to writing, and I think that continuously doing so is a powerful expression of a desire of yours. So write your goals down again tonight, or even right now as you're watching this video or after you watch this video, and read them out loud to yourself. I think that is a big part of setting yourself up for success, committing things to writing and speaking them into existence. Whatever it is that you're trying to achieve this week or this year in general, you need to have it down on paper, you need to say it to yourself at the start of every day, and I think that is a good base point for being able to build on that and have an even better week than last week if it was like mine, basically. So write down your goals, make them very clear in your mind, and then at the beginning of each day you know exactly what you're working to and what you're striving towards. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great Monday and I will see you tomorrow for your Tuesday motivation. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and come and follow me below on those social channels as well, so we can all just keep each other spurred on and motivated. Thanks again. Bye.